there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Byte, the channel where we bring you all the juicy bits of tech goodness. I'm your host, and today we are diving into an epic journey, building your very own PC from scratch. If you are ever dream of customizing a best lyric for gaming, content creation, or just because it's awesome, you are in the right place. Building a PC isn't just about assembling parts, it's about unleashing your inner tech wizard. So let's embark on this adventure together. Our first stop is the land of planning and part selection. Just like planning a heist, you need a solid strategy. Here's the lowdown. We have got the CPU, GPU, RAM, motherboard, PSU, storage, and the cool case to hold it all together. But how do you choose? It's like assembling a superhero team. Each part has its unique superpower and workspace. Now on to tools and workspace because even tech heroes need their tools. You will need a trusty screwdriver, cable ties for the superhero cape, and don't forget your anti-static wristband. It's like our invisible shield against static electricity. And now the great adventure begins assembling our PC. Installing the CPU, RAM, and M2 SSD is like preparing our hero's gear. Step 2. Mounting the motherboard. Think of it as our PC's secret base. Step 3. The thrilling cable connection is like our web of connections in a superhero network. Step 4. The graphics card, making its grand entrance like the ultimate sidekick. Step 5. Adding extra storage drives, our supplies for the journey. Step 6. Cable connections, ensuring everything is locked and loaded ready for action. Cable management and airflow. Just like Tarzan swinging through the jungle, cable management is all about untangling the vines. Neatness ensures optimal airflow and a true work of art. Now comes the moment of truth. Insert the power cable and prepare for liftoff. Press that power button, it's like the launch sequence of a spaceship. And voila, our PC comes to life just like Dr. Frankenstein monster. But in every great adventure, there's bound to be a few twists. Time to put on our detective hats and solve the mysteries. If your PC doesn't show a display, fear not. We are here to help you unveil the secrets of troubleshooting. The adventure's not over. Installing the OS is like defeating the final boss in a video game. Our PC is truly born now. It's time for those final touches. Personalize your PC like you are crafting a superhero's costume. Set up your software for the ultimate user experience. And there you have it, Tech Adventures. We have journeyed through the PC building quest. It's not just about building a PC, it's about creating a tech masterpiece. The satisfaction of a job well done is like finishing an epic quest in a video game. You are now part of the League of PC Builders. Share your experiences, ask for help, and keep the tech magic alive. Thank you for joining us on the epic adventure of building a PC. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech adventurers, and subscribe to Tech Byte for more tech awesomeness. Until next time, stay curious and keep building my tech savvy friends.